The dysfunctional culture of factionalism must end. We must embrace respect for each other as comrades of the People's National Party in how we speak to and about each other. It is clear that a well-designed process of healing is necessary at this time. I have entered on that reference, establishing a unity team to work collaboratively on the design of the process of healing, utilizing professional assistance from experts in team building and mediation. Comrade Hannah has nominated 3 persons to the unity team, as have I, along with external professionals. And further persons may be added who are generally perceived as being above these internal issues. I am asking all members of the NEC and the wider party to support this process of healing. It will take some time, comrades, but we must stay the course. The aim is to build the internal cohesion of our movement that is united around a common purpose.